Look, we got a package. Maine candy. Smells good. Hey guys, welcome back to my... Hey Wig Hacker, welcome back to my channel. And today, do I have a special treat for you? One of my new friends has came out with her own product line. It is Maine Candy by Cynthia Lumzy. She has 6 products in total. First, we have Tutti Frutti shampoo, Ooey Gooey conditioner, Sweet Heat, Drizzle Drops, Sweetest One, Sugar Rush. Smells just like candy. This is going to be a major product in my set kit because it sanitizes wigs and hair. Because you can never be too clean. I have to give a huge kudos to Cynthia because she has created this line. It is a Black-owned business and she hires almost 85% of her staff that have created this product is Black. I am so proud of her for coming out, standing against the norms, and creating this beautifully smelling. I really wish you could smell it. Well, you're going to be getting your own, so go and click the link below because it's really tutti frutti. So make sure you check her out and also find her on social. You've probably seen her wigs already. She does wigs everywhere. Thanks for coming. Click the button below. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on Clubhouse. I'm there, always talking. I'm surprised I can even get this video out because my voice is parched. But we have Cynthia to thank for keeping us safe and clean. Get your Maine candy!